I'm going to touch on the biological part today. Okay, so things that you need to know in the microbiology. So basically, you need to know these microorganisms: bacteria, viruses, fungi, algae, protozoa, and also rotifers. So what are these microorganisms? These are very important microorganisms. They normally present in a wastewater treatment plant. Okay, they are needed. Okay, especially for treating the wastewater treatment plant compared to the water treatment plant. Okay, in water treatment plant we want to get rid of this, but in wastewater treatment plant we would like to have all of them. Okay, certainly in the wastewater treatment plant you will see abundance of bacteria and also protozoa. So these microorganisms will help to treat the wastewater. So I'd like to talk about size now. So I would like to for you guys to pay attention on my whiteboard. So bacteria, the size of bacteria is probably like this. I don't know whether you can see or not. Okay. So this is bacteria. The size is between 0.5 to 5 micrometers. If you have viruses, okay, do I have different color on my marker pen? Okay, let's try my blue marker pen. So virus is even smaller. Okay, this one is virus. Okay, so the size of viruses is less than 0.3. In fact, this one is 0.01 to 0.3 micrometer. That is virus. Okay, so sometimes you also have a protozoa. Protozoa is greater size. Okay, I'm drawing it bigger. This is protozoa. Okay, the size is between 10 to 100 micrometer. So this is protozoa. And you may have even greater size of microorganism. I don't know how to draw it. Okay, and this one is rotifer. Okay, it's really big size. And rotifer, yeah, the food for rotifer is protozoa and bacteria, and sometimes they also eat algae. Okay, and as for protozoa, they enjoy eating bacteria and also algae because they are in bigger size. Okay, they have no problem eating smaller microorganisms. Okay, so this is basically the microorganism that you will see in wastewater. Okay, is it clear? I think it's clear, isn't it? So can I share my slide? Yeah. Okay, once I start sharing, myself and also the whiteboard will be small in size, no longer can be seen properly. Right, so what are bacteria? What if you have wastewater, so it's contain a lot of organic things, whatever things that you flush under the toilet. In case the content, they has a lot of organic matter, so this organic need to be oxidized and it will be eaten by the microorganisms. Okay, so it will be eaten by the microorganisms to produce carbon dioxide, water, and new cells. So this is what bacteria will do. Okay, so certain bacteria, they are getting their oxygen from the organic, and also they are getting their carbon to synthesize themselves. When I talk about synthesizing, basically bacteria, they don't get married. You see, the way that they increase their population is by doing the binary fissions. Okay, fissions. So they are present individually, in pairs or in chain. They have different shapes of bacteria. Okay, sometimes they are spherical. It can look at in a rod form. This one is a curved rod form. Okay, and this one is filamentous kind of bacteria. So these are all bacteria. Okay, and these bacteria, will eat organics matter to to oxidize them to form new cells, and also to emit carbon dioxide and also water.